Hi and welcome to the Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this video, we'll see how to transfer name for water connection in Gujarat. The link I'm highlighting here is also provided in the description below the video. Please click on that link to reach this page. Once you've opened this page, there's a Select Language tab in the top left corner. You can click on it and you can select whichever language that you're comfortable in to view this procedure in that language. Over here you can see that even Gujarati is available. You can click on it and this procedure will be shown to you in Gujarati. So right below the title you can see all these links over here. These are the various sections of the page. Each section will provide you with important information required for successful transfer of name for water connection. So the first section is the procedure section. Over here you can see that the residents of Gujarat need to visit their concerned municipal subdivision office in order to transfer the ownership of an existing water connection. Over here, we have provided a contact link. Also, in the office location and contact section, you can see we have provided the address, phone number, fax number, and the email ID, and also a link to the offices, various offices available in Gujarat. So, once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this page, and over here you can see all the various municipal corporation addresses, the names of the officers, their phone numbers, their email IDs, and even link to websites are provided over here. So with this you will be able to get in touch with the authorities beforehand to inquire about their available timings and plan your visit accordingly. Now, before visiting the office, there are certain documents that you need to prepare. For that, you need to check the required document section. Over here, we have listed out the list of documents that you need to keep ready before visiting the office. First is the ownership certificate. Next, you need to have the sale deed. Then you have to have the latest tax paid receipt and the last bill of water charges. You also need to have an affidavit in the stamp paper of required value. Then you need to possess an NOC or a death certificate of the previous owner or an indemnity bond having clause of NOC. Along with all these, you also need to provide an address proof and an ID proof. For that, you can use your Aadhaar card, your driving license, your ration card, voter ID, PAN card, or your work ID. You need to carry the originals along with you, even though you will not be asked to submit them. The authorities might request to view these originals in order to cross check them, and you need to have a couple of photocopies of all these documents because you will be asked to attach them to the application form. So then you need to visit the municipal subdivision office in your area, and once you reach the office you need to request the application form for transfer of ownership of an existing water connection. For that you will have to pay a application form fee, and also, if in case you are a resident of Surat, we have provided an application form link over here. You can download the application form and take a printout of it, and you can fill it up. You need not pay any application fee for that. So, other other district residents will have to pay an application fee at the office and collect their application form. Once you've collected the application form, you need to fill in all the required details, and then you need to attach a photocopy of all the documents that I mentioned earlier and then submit it to the authorities in the office. Once you submit the application form, the authorities will check whether all the documents are in order and then they will request a processing fee. Once you pay the processing fee, you will receive an acknowledgement receipt. In case you don't receive an acknowledgement receipt, you can request the authority to countersign a photocopy of the application form. This can be used for future references. So after you submit the form, the authorities will do a site verification, and after verification, the authorities will make the necessary changes to the computer records, and the changes will come into effect before the next billing cycle. So by the time you receive your next bill, water bill, the name change would have taken place. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you found this video useful, please click on the subscribe button to view more such useful videos. Thank you.